I'm Dr. Pepper.
And I'm
Are we getting fancy? Roxy, what are we doing today?
We are trying. Hold on 1 second. Birthday cake cookie crisps.
It's my birthday!
My birthday is sooner than yours. Yours is next year.
But I'm older.
But I'm younger and I'll live longer.
Maybe.
Hey! No, this is not a violent show.
Alright, so this is a brand new product by Cookie Crisp.
This is my favorite cereal.
This is birthday cake.
This is like my
Cookie
favorite.
Crisp.
This is my favorite cereal.
Is there anything? Doesn't say anything particular.
Huh?
Great taste of birthday cake cookies. Limited edition.
Hold on. You also missed there's a map. Alright.
Ooh, man. Alright, so Roxy, are you excited about this?
I wasn't excited about
As
that.
you follow along, we have other videos featuring cereals. This is not very birthday-y.
What do you mean?
This is just, they're yellow. You saw it. There is some very tiny specks. Hopefully it will taste like birthday cake. So if you go back and look at our videos, we have 3 other videos. Do you remember what they are? She don't remember what they are.
Lucky Charms.
What about Lucky Charms? Is it regular Lucky Charms?
It's fruity Lucky Charms.
Fruity Lucky Charms.
And why don't we look around? And
We also have Sour
Patch Kids.
Kids cereal. And we had... Come on, it's the weirdest one we've ever had
chicken
ever.
and waffles.
Chicken and waffles. Be sure to check those out. Alright, so now back to the birthday cake Cookie Crisp. It smells weird.
Hold on, from my
Do not stick your head in this
hold
thing.
on.
What?
From my angle, it looks like you're just like.
This cereal sounds weird.
Do you hear what I hear?
I was waiting for the birthday song. You ready? Smell.
Ooh.
It's weird.
There's so much orange specks.
Alright, so on the package it shows all this
Oh, I got 2. Hold on.
fun confetti all over the cookies. You want to show them what they look like?
So what they look like?
How about truth in advertising?
Is it a...
There's little tiny specks.
Yeah. Wait, I got chips.
Don't throw it back in the bag.
I got chips.
Alright, I was gonna say we dumped in there, but it's just Cookie Crisp. Alright, ready? Go ahead. Tastes like vanilla.
Sad.
It's kind of sad. So, we're gonna, of course, try it with a little bit of milk.
It's just like vanilla, like ice cream. Like vanilla bean. Which is very expensive.
I like vanilla ice cream. I like vanilla things. I do not like things that say that they're one thing and they taste like something else.
Yeah, it's, here, can I think? Right?
Go ahead.
You're
I
just
thought you were
like,
gonna do both of us.
oh. So it's like, okay, I do my own, okay.
So here at our house, we tend to eat a lot of cereal. I know it's not the healthiest option, but it's delicious. So we do it anyways.
It's our house. You can't stop us. You don't know where we live.
Alright, so are you ready?
Hold on. I really like mine.
I will say there are a lot of orange specks in my Cookie Crisp. Alright, you ready?
I got 5. Wait. Yeah, I got 5.
Doink!
Oh, sorry, doink. We got milk on the table.
It's alright. Very kind of bland.
Cookie Crisp is always bland, but this is even bland.
It's a little extra bland. It's not horrible,
Just tastes like vanilla.
but when you say birthday cake, I'm expecting a little bit of excitement. Not, bleh.
Like me. Like, look at my face.
Yeah, look how excited she is. That's the kind of excitement we're looking for.
No, that is fine. Please don't copyright about that.
No, it's already copyrighted. Anything else we got to say about this? Okay, nothing.
Don't buy it.
Don't buy it. No. I would stay away from the birthday.
I had to
Stay away from the birthday.
Aww.
Stay away from the birthday cake, cookie crisp. To me, it's just a gimmick to get you to buy a box of cereal, which they got us. Don't let them get you.
Yeah.
All right. So, anything you want to tell these people?
Yeah, the friends.
No.
Yeah, the friends. I mean, Spicy Boys and Spicy Girls.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.